How to send WhatsApp group link to other contacts and invite them to join the group. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and then click on the group chat you want to send link of. After opening group chat, you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on group info. In group info, scroll all the way down till you find invite via link. In here, you can send link via WhatsApp directly or simply copy link and paste it to other people you want to invite to, or simply share link. You can also share QR code. And that's how to send WhatsApp group link to other contacts and invite them to join the group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.